In the circuit shown below, the silicon NPN transistor Q has very high value of beta. The required value of RT in kilo ohm to produce IC equal to 1 milliamps. They given us beta having the high value. That means beta tends to go to infinity. And another data they given as silicon NPN transistor. So so we have to retrieve the information about the silicon transistors and RT value. We have to find the R2 value, that is this R2 value we have to find that. To maintain this IC, that is collector current should be to maintain, that is should be produce 1 milliampere. So they given us beta equal to infinity, beta tends to go to infinity, and IB equal to 0 because it's a voltage divider circuit, that is self biasing circuit. We can say that IB equal to 0. So because we know that IC, that is collector current, equal to base current plus emitter current. So collector current equal to emitter current. So when we are having the emitter current here and collector current which is also equal to 0, because of this IB equal to 0, this base current equal to 0, because of this beta value tends to 0, that is this beta value getting higher value, so there is no value to that base current. So we have applying the KVL to this loop, we will get IB equal to VBE plus RE plus IE. From this already we found that IE value as IC, because of IB value is getting 0, because of beta value tends to infinity. So we'll get IB value is 0.7, because we already given the data given to us is silicon transistor, which is silicon transistor having the base emitter voltage as 0.7. For germanium we know that 1.1 volt as the base emitter voltage. So we found that RE value, that is this value is given as 500 ohm. IC value have to maintain in the 1 milliamp, so we will get IB value as 1.2. this is not a K, this is milli ohms. So 1 milli will get the 500. So we'll find the values of 1/2, we'll get the 0.7 plus 0.5, will get 1.2. VB equal to 1.2. Applying voltage divider rule to this input stage, that is we can say that self biasing circuit. This R1 R2 combination acted as self biasing circuit, which gives the input to the transistor, that is base voltage and base current. Applying voltage divider rule to this, we have the input as 1.2 volt, that is VB. We found the VB value, that is output value is 1.2 volt, and input voltage as, that is from the VC, that is collector current passing through this transistor, will get as 3 volt. R2 divided by R1 plus R2, because we have to find the voltage divider will find that we have to find the voltage of the R2 level, then only the splitted current and voltage will go by on this to get the base terminal. So we'll find that R2 divided by R 60K, that is here the R1 value 60K plus R2 into 3 volt, which give us 1.2 into 60 plus R2, which is equivalent to 3 R2. R2 can be reduced as 1.2 in multiple of 60 divided by 1 by 8, which is equivalent to 40K. So these R2 have 40 kilo ohm to produce the IC value as 1 milliamps. Thank you.